Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. So today we are going to know if your phone is hacked or tapped. First, start by checking your phone's Google account activity. Do that by going to your settings. Now scroll down to Google. Go ahead and tap on your Google account and go to the security section. There, you will find a list of recent activity events. If you see anything suspicious like unknown logins or changes you didn't make, tap on it and follow the prompts to secure your account. Next, check which devices are currently signed into your Google account. If there is any device you don't recognize, select it and remove access immediately. This ensures that no one is using your account from another phone or computer. Now, let's talk about more visible signs that your phone may have been hacked. One of the most obvious signs is getting constant pop ups or full screen ads even when you are not using your browser. This usually means some sort of adware or malicious app is running in the background. Another sign is finding apps on your phone that you don't remember installing. This could be stealing your data or tracking your activity. If you see anything unfamiliar, then go ahead and delete it. Also, check your call and text history. If there are outgoing calls or messages that you didn't send, that's a strong sign that someone may have remote access to your phone. You should also pay attention to your phone's battery. If it's draining much faster than usual, even when you are not using it heavily, it might be because of hidden apps or malware running in the background, meaning that your phone is also hacked. Similarly, a sudden spike in data usage can also point to spyware or malicious activity, especially if you haven't changed your usual usage habits. Finally, if your app keeps crashing or your phone starts behaving strangely, that could be also a red flag that something isn't right. So, what should you do if you notice any of these signs? Start by changing your passwords, especially your Google account and any other important logins. Make sure you use a strong, unique passwords that you haven't used before. Next, go through your apps and delete anything that looks suspicious or that you don't remember installing. Then, install a reliable antivirus app. It can help you detect and remove harmful software and even warn you if your phone is being targeted in the future. And if things seem off, consider doing a full factory reset. You just make sure that you back up your important data first. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.